To begin, make a chain of 14 stitches like this one. Then skip the first 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Go through the 4th chain. You go through the 2 loops of the 4th chain and make a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same chain space. The skipped chain 3 plus 2 double crochets in the same chain space, those are 3 double crochets. In the next 9 chain spaces, make 9 double crochets. That is 1 double crochet in every stitch in the next 9 chain spaces. I have made 1. Go through the next chain space. I still go through 2 loops of each chain space, make a double crochet, and continue until you have 9. After making 9 double crochets, the remaining 1 chain space, I'm making 6 double crochets in the same chain space. This is 1 double crochet. Continue until, after making 6 double crochets in the same chain space, make 9 double crochets across. 1 double crochet into every stitch in the next 9 stitches. After making 9 double crochets across, in this chain space where I made 3 double crochets, I'm adding 3 more to make them 6. 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch in the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. The chain 3 that I skipped when beginning round 1. Slip stitch to close the round. To begin the next round, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Chain 3 is counted as a double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same stitch where I slip stitched and chained 3 to make them 2. In the next 2 stitches, make 2 double crochets into each one of them. 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Go to the next stitch. 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. In the next 9 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the next stitch. This is the second. 1 double crochet. Continue until you make 9 double crochets across. After making 9 double crochets across, in the next 6 stitches, make 2 double crochets into each one of them. 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Continue until you finish the 6 stitches. Once you finish the 6 stitches, the remaining stitches repeat what we did this side, following the pattern on the screen. At the end of the round, I will slip stitch into this first double crochet, not the chain 3. To begin the next round, chain 1. Chain 1 is counted as a single crochet. I'm marking where I will slip stitch at the end of the round. Make another single crochet in the same stitch where I slip stitched to make them 2. In the next stitch, make only 1 single crochet. The next stitch, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 in the same stitch. In the next 6 stitches, make 1 single crochet into each one of them. 1 single crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 single crochet, that is 2, go to the next stitch, 1 single crochet, 3, go to the next, 1 single crochet, 4, go to the next, 1 single crochet, 5, go to the next, 1 single crochet, 6. The next stitch, make 1 half double crochet. The next 5 stitches, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the next stitch, 1 double crochet, that is 2, go to the next, 1 double crochet, that is 3, go to the next, 1 double crochet, 4, go to the next, 1 double crochet, 5. In the next 12 stitches, we are going to make 6 sets. We increase in 1 stitch, the next we don't increase, and we count that as 1 set. So in the next stitch, make 2 double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2 double crochets in the same stitch. The next stitch, make only 1 double crochet, and I count that as 1 set. Make 5 more sets to complete the 12 stitches. Once you finish the 6 sets, the remaining stitches repeat what we did this side, following the pattern on the screen. At the end of the round, I will slip stitch where I have this stitch marker. I'll go through the same stitch where I slip stitched. Take this loose end to the other side. Make another sole the same way, then we join them together, wrong sides facing each other. This is right side and right side. You go through every stitch and the corresponding stitch of both soles and slip stitch across. Slip stitch to join all round. At the end, I will slip stitch in the same stitch where I started slip stitching. I go through the same stitch, take this yarn to the other side. Tie these two pieces together. Go through until I get to this stitch. Following this midline, without counting the middle stitch, count 9 stitches this side, mark the 9th one. Without counting the middle stitch, count 9 stitches, mark the 9th stitch. Then at the front here, this is the middle stitch. 1, 2, 3. I will attach my yarn here. I will replace this stitch marker with my crochet hook. Attach this yarn, chain 13, 1, 2, 3, continue until you have 13. After chaining 13, I will slip stitch where I have this marker. Slip stitch, go through the next stitch, make a single crochet, turn and make 4 slip stitches in the next 4 chain spaces. 1, go to the next, slip stitch, that is 2, go to the next, slip stitch, 3, go to the next, slip stitch, 4. Now I have 9 chain spaces remaining. Chain 11, 1, 2. After chaining 11, slip stitch where I have this stitch marker. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. I have 11 chain spaces across. In the next 10 chain spaces, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. 1 double crochet, go to the next chain space, make a double crochet, continue until you make 10. After making 10 double crochets across on this chain 11, the remaining one chain, yarn over, go through the remaining chain, draw a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 only so you don't complete the double crochet, yarn over, go through this middle stitch, draw a loop. I have 4 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 only, yarn over, go through the next chain space, draw a loop. I have 5 loops, yarn over, draw through 2 only, I have 4 remaining, yarn over, draw through all the 4. I have 8 chain spaces remaining, make 1 double crochet into each one of them. This is one, go to the next, make a double crochet and continue until you finish the 8 chain spaces. After making 8 double crochets across, make a single crochet to join. Note this one where I attached this yarn. In the next stitch, make a single crochet, then turn and make 4 slip stitches across, beginning from this first stitch. This is one, go to the second stitch, slip stitch, go to the third stitch, slip stitch, go to the fourth stitch, slip stitch. Then I will turn this way and chain 19. After chaining 19, skip the first 3 chains, go through the 4th chain and make a double crochet and continue making 1 double crochet into every chain space across. Make 16 double crochets across the chain. After making 16 double crochets across the chain, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch in the next. Then I will cut my yarn at this point and weave in the loose ends. Attach my yarn here. Make 1 slip stitch across, including this strap. When you get at this point, you cut and weave in the loose end. For the right leg, at the middle here, 1, 2, 3. This is where I will attach my yarn. I will remove this stitch marker. Chain 15. After chaining 15, I will slip stitch in this stitch next to the marked stitch. Make a single crochet in this marked stitch. Make 4 slip stitches across this chain. I have 11 chain spaces remaining. Chain 9. After chaining 9, I will remove this stitch marker and slip stitch. Make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. I will turn. In this chain 9, I will make 8 double crochets across. After making 8 double crochets across this remaining chain space, you draw a loop. You don't complete the double crochet. Yarn over, go through middle stitch, draw a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 only, yarn over, go through the next chain space, draw a loop, yarn over, draw through 2 only. I have 4 loops remaining on my crochet hook, yarn over, draw through all the 4. I have 10 chain spaces remaining. Make 10 double crochets across. This is one. Continue until you finish the 10 chain spaces. After making 10 double crochets across, make one single crochet. This is the stitch I worked. Go to the next one, make a single crochet to join, then chain one and cut. Then I will count 3 stitches. 1, 2, attach my yarn in the third stitch, chain 19. After chaining 19, skip 3 chains, make 16 double crochets across the chain. After making 16 double crochets across the chain, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch in the next stitch, then cut. Then slip stitch all round. To make this button, make a magic ring. Chain 1 and fasten. Make 6 single crochets in the magic ring. 1, 2. Continue until you make 6 single crochets in the magic ring. After making 6 single crochets in the magic ring, pull this yarn to close the magic ring. Slip stitch in the first single crochet. Then cut, leaving a long tail. Go through every stitch thrice. 1, 2, 3. Go to the next stitch. Repeat the same. You go through 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Repeat until you come back to the beginning point. When you get back to the beginning point, you go through any loop close to the magic ring. Then tie these 2 loose ends. Then I will attach the button on the 4th double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. That marks the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like my video. Then I will see you in the next tutorial.